Imagine you get a small cut on your skin. Within moments, millions of cells begin working to repair the damage. But first, they need to make more cells, and that's where mitosis begins. A single cell starts with a complete set of chromosomes and prepares to divide. The journey begins with prophase, where chromosomes condense and become visible while the nuclear membrane starts to disappear. Next comes metaphase. The chromosomes line up neatly across the center of the cell, ready for separation. Then comes anaphase, the dramatic moment when sister chromatids are pulled apart toward opposite ends of the cell. In telophase, new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes. Finally, during cytokinesis, the cell splits into two. The result, two genetically identical daughter cells, each carrying the same number of chromosomes as the original cell. Every time you grow, heal a wound, or replace old cells, mitosis is quietly at work, keeping your body running one cell division at a time.